In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to your Squarespace site. Whether you're a design enthusiast or just looking to give your website a unique touch, customizing your fonts can make a significant difference in your site's appearance. Let's dive in and see how you can easily achieve this in just a few steps. First, navigate to the back end of your Squarespace site. Once you're there, locate the Design tab on your menu, and you'll want to select the Custom CSS option. This section allows you to input custom code that can really enhance your website's design and functionality. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page where you'll find an option labeled Manage Custom Files. This is where you'll be able to upload the necessary font files that you'll want to use. Next, go ahead and click on Add Images or Fonts. This will prompt you to upload the specific font files that you have, such as .ttf, .otf, or .waf formats. And it's important to note that having a variety of file formats ensures better browser compatibility. So try to have multiple formats of your chosen font if possible. Once you've uploaded the font files, find the file you just uploaded in the list. Click on it and you'll see that Squarespace gives you a URL for each file. Make sure to take note of these URLs as you'll need them for the next steps. Now that you have your font files uploaded, decide on which parts of your site you want to modify. Are you looking to change the headings to make them stand out more? Or perhaps the body text to improve readability? Maybe you want to give your buttons a fresh new look. Whatever your preference, having a clear vision will help you apply these changes more effectively. With the URLs of your font files handy, you can now integrate them into your site's CSS code. And don't forget to click Save at the end. This is crucial as it applies all the adjustments you just made to your website. Once saved, take a moment to preview your site and ensure the new fonts are displaying as you envisioned. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom fonts to your Squarespace site all by yourself. Customizing your site's fonts is a small but impactful way to differentiate it from others, making it more aligned with your personal brand or aesthetic. Keep experimenting with different font styles and combinations to find the perfect fit for your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!